Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you my Python game. So the game was on the topic rock paper scissors. Lot of you may have played this game. So I thought why not to make this game on the computer so that when I am alone I can play with someone. So program asks is that what do you choose? Type 0 for the rock, 1 for the paper, and 2 for the scissors. So I will, in this case I'm going to choose scissors, so I will type 2 and I won. You know why? I chose the scissors and the computer chose the paper, that's why he lost. Let's see, let's play the game again. And I this time I am going to choose rock. So I will type 0. It's a draw. Why it is a draw? Because computer and my choice was the same. Let's see. Let's play the game again, and this time I am going to choose paper. Sorry, I chose the scissors. It's a draw again. Let's choose this paper, and it's again a draw because both computer and me chose the paper. So let's see our code. The whole code is going to be given in the github on the github repository. From there you can see. So in the code I have firstly imported the random module, then made three variables which are actually holding a image type for the rock papers and scissors, which I will use in the game. Then I have made a while loop which is going to continue forever. Sorry. Huh. Now then after that I have made another variable which is game images. It is a list data type and it contains rock, paper, and scissors. What is this rock, paper, scissors? The variable we use, which we declared for the images of this game. And then what I'm asking is that user, what do you want to choose? Type 0 for the rock, 1 for the paper, and 2 for the scissors. Then I print the choice which is chosen by the user, and after that I I make another variable which is computer choice, and my computer chooses a random number from 0 to 1. Sorry, from 0 to 2. So it will get rock, paper, or scissor from this list only. After that I print computer choose, and it prints the image that the computer chose. After that I have made some set of if elif conditions, like if the user choice is equal to 0 and the computer choice is equal to 2, then what will happen is that I will win. And then elif condition has been made which says if the computer choice is 0 and the user choice is 2, meaning my computer chose what was the first meaning I if the computer chooses the rock and the user chooses the scissors, then or computer chooses greater than user choices, then I will lose the game. And if the user choice is, if the above condition is not also the uh, condition which is working for this for the input, and then I have made another elif block. In that block I say that if the user choice is greater than the computer's choice, meaning my choice is greater than the computer's choice, then I will win. And another Aleph block which says that compute if the computer choice and my choice is equal to same, then it's a draw. So this was whole code. And as you remember, this is in a GitHub repository. I'm going to give the link in the description. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Like this video, and thank you for watching till now. And guys, please leave your valuable feedbacks in the comments. Thank you.